The wake of a spring snowstorm has closed some schools and delayed openings in parts of Nova Scotia.
Monday is forecast to be a blustery and cold day, with wind hitting 30 to 60 miles per hour throughout the province. Approximately 23 centimeters of snow fell in the Halifax area on Sunday, roughly 30 centimeters was reported at the Sydney area. Schools in the Cape Breton Victoria Regional Centre for Education are closed. The Cape Breton University campus will remain closed Monday. Trends at Cape Breton shut down and will reassess at 3 p.m.
Pictou County schools in the Chignecto Central Regional Centre for Education are closed, but schools in Colchester and Cumberland counties as well as the municipality of Hants East are open as usual.
Conseil Scolaire Acadian provincial schools in the Northeast region are closed, as is École Acadienne de Truro and Harborview Montessori School.
All schools in the Halifax Regional Centre for Education are open.
The Nova Scotia Community College closed the Marconi and Strait area campuses, as well as the Wagamat Cook Learning Centre.
Halifax Stanfield International Airport is reporting some delayed and cancelled flights. Marine Atlantic cancelled crossings Monday morning and will announce plans for Monday evening later. Victoria County cancelled waste collection scheduled for today in Bullittry, Ross Ferry, Kemphead, Southside Bullittry, Big Brostore, New Campbellton, Cape Dauphin, New Harris, Englishtown, South Haven, Big Harbour, and Port Beavis. It's rescheduled for Monday, April 16th.
Tuesday should be sunny with lighter winds and warming temperatures.